Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you have not subscribed, my darling people, please do subscribe and smash the notification bell. Thank you and God bless you. My darling people, my correct people, this video today now about some of our presenters, more than no verse because this video na just to just educate some of you now. So I dey see say many presenters they talk say Korra, na so we celebrate Korra, na so people they buy gifts come they give Korra. If na our own Edon, we will not go buy. If na our own presenter so we get belle, we will not go buy. But we dey celebrate this girl Korra. She dey receive gift every day. People they call they give am gift. So I come dey surprise. E be like say some of una dey forget some kind things for this live video. That is why I dey tell una say if una dey do saga, do it wisely. Do your saga wisely. Not do saga to go to the extent wey be say una go dey bring people address come out. Okay. I think Korra, she put baby wishes for them. Make people buy things for am. She put her address. Then, okay, if you say you buy things now, go give fellow presenter, now you put your address. Tomorrow, Rishi, you go bring your address, come out. Now make people they fear. Shebi all of una now they jealous now. Say people they celebrate Korra, people they celebrate Korra. Even when we know say she dey naked, even when we know say she dey do this, I was like, are you poking me? Korra they do her own things. She dey do all those naked things. Now what is she like? No, not be our business. People where they said she gets organic fans, like real fans. Now this na presenters wey post am for Facebook. Now the buy things go they give am. She gets organic fans where the buy things give am. You understand? So and wetin una dey do they make person dey fear. Okay, person go want buy something give una now. He go give una address. Even the one where you see buy something from, you go keep your address. He go carry your address, take do saga with you. Why people not go fear to buy things for una? Why una feel say people not go fear? I been a Korra, she not dey do saga. Now her dancing that she dey do. She like to the open body. She like to do all those things. That will not be our business. You understand? So now Korra now we can go carry person address they bring come out. No. Because I watch wetin Madam Ivia Rio talk just now say address. Now the fear make people not bring una address come out. Yes. Oh, agree make they bring your address come out. I beg something for you from my own mind. You can go carry my address, you can go bring her come out. Who does that? So why Korra not go really receive gift? Why? Why she not go receive? When I say we not dey support our own, yeah, we dey support our own. When this woman will come at that day, not see the way they put it for that. We dey support our own. We not dey talk that thing again, not good. We dey support our own. But if una dey do, people they pick advice for this saga, what they do? If una dey do saga, any secret way una do with that person, una go bring and come out. So if una dey do saga, una dey do it wisely. Because person when you do saga with now any small thing, the person maybe you go see the person comment for somewhere, una go carry the person picture, person address. You don't ever let me buy something. I go post the address. I go do this one, or you don't first send gift for me. I go bring the address. So when I would tell think say presenter now will come and buy something. So how una feel say your fellow presenter now go want buy something for you? You go dey fear because of all those saga. If una dey do saga, do it wisely. If they do saga, go to the extent of address. Who want buy gift for you? Who want post anything for you? You go dey fear now. You go dey fear. You understand? So that's why everybody have to be careful. Shebi Ekia Queen now talk yesterday say he go see how people want to celebrate and film bomb pikin. He go see whether I go celebrate am. He go see am. Why we not go celebrate you? Why? We go celebrate you. Why we not go celebrate? You say people not buy gift, can't give you. Now they fear whether they fear, now they tell you so. They fear. People they fear, may they not bring their address come out. People they fear, may they not bring their real name come out. Because some of them are not born a real name when they use. You understand? So that is why now what if saga they spoil, that be this one. Una go they do saga, una not go do one wisely. You understand? There are some few people for this social media where say if they do sagas more, they go see rest. You understand? You go see rest. But some not go rest. You go just continue. You know, person they do saga with brain. You understand? So now the waiting cost and I be all those ones. Like Korra now. That girl. Now person me they follow like that too. And now when you want bump picking and all those this thing you read they interesting. That is why me even look at that time. You understand? The person will be say I will carry every day they wash. No. And that she celebrate her when she born. Yeah, because now picking matter that would they talk so. As they say they not they keep a name for person we born picking. A person wake meme, they not they do enemy for her. You understand? So Korra, she gets organic fans. Now they see viewers what she they get if you did live video. She gets organic fans, like real fans. No fans. When this is a presenters, they be fans. When this is a presenters where they do saga, that everybody is go give her. She gets better people, big people where they follow her. Eh? Big married responsible women where they follow her. Big people will just like her naturally. Now the bright is go give her. Not be presenters where they do saga for Facebook. Now bright is go give her. So more they talk and way. So Korra, more how they use that girl till they compare all those. She know they do saga. She they do her own things. You understand? She they do her own things. So me not see why now they talk say we go to celebrate people person. If now why we not go celebrate our own? Every time they always anybody when I say they celebrate for Facebook. They always do video to celebrate them for my YouTube. Some of them when they follow me, I go see them. And I was say Lady J not they lie. They always they celebrate them. Are they happy for people when they happy? They even they talk after my video say not be only when they do bad we go to celebrate them. If they do good thing, more say celebrate them. Yeah. They always they do them. You understand? Not be only saga video, all those things. No, but I see they celebrate anybody when I know say they celebrate. You understand? So that's how it be, my people. So this Korra, more just take am easy. Korra, na just a girl we just like to do your own things. Now Igbo na marry. Igbo, they not they forbid all those things. You understand? What about the other girl we marry Niger? That girl we when they say go do with Bogari. Where the husband ask who? Bogari saying jogodo with for 30 times I no. This Korra now will never hear that kind of thing for her body once. Whenever I even hear say she even go jogodo for her side. And this you both together, two of them. Now only that indicates so they do for live video. Now let that one miss you. So thank you, my darling people. So anything you want to think about the video, I'm gonna leave on a comment for the comment section. And I not do this video to offend anybody. So thank you. Please let me to share the video. Bye.